300 मिलियन सब्सक्राइबर होने पर YouTube कैसा प्ले बटन भेजता है, आज हम लोग इस वीडियो में देखते हैं। 300 मिलियन का मतलब 30 करोड़ सब्सक्राइबर। देखते हैं किस तरह का प्ले बटन YouTube ने सेंड किया है।
In this box is our 200 million subscriber play button.
You spoiled it.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I haven't told them yet.
Stab it.
Obviously, we all owe thanks to Nolan. Without him, this
Yeah.
wouldn't be possible. Yeah, thank you. Appreciate you, Nolan. Oh, that almost ruined the surprise. Now it's shiny. 3, 2, 1. Wait.
Oh, that's like, oh my god.
What?
You got it.
Is that your logo?
Yeah, it's our tiger.
Yeah, that's sick.
That is really cool.
I mean, I'll keep it in my house.
YouTube, thank you so much. If you ever send us another one, can you send 6 so everyone in the gang can get one?
Yeah, when we hit 300, send six.
And if you want to help us prank YouTube, hit the subscribe button right there. So they have to send us a 300 million subscriber play button.
ये हम लोग को एक मोटिवेशन देता है कि मेहनत करते रहना चाहिए। हालांकि इस टाइगर से बहुत कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, लेकिन हाँ, एक मेहनत की चिंगारी हमारे अंदर आती है।